These are supplies to make a wreath, and that includes a Santa, some picks that I have left over. I don't have much floral from Christmas, so I have to do miracles over here. And I'm using cotton from fall even. That bow, some berries, and these pieces that I have from the smaller Christmas trees that you can find at the dollar store, and also a wreath. Hello guys, my name is Kiki and let's jump into today's project. For the part that we are going to improvise, I'm using this piece of a Christmas tree, and now I'm gonna add this pick on top to make it look more Christmassy, and also I'm gonna add my cotton, and I know this cotton is from fall, but guess what? It's looking really rustic and farmhousey and I love it. Now I'm adding that pick on the side, and I'm gonna add another one of those, but I will remove that one later because I don't like how that one looks, because as you can see, it's just going in deep on the Christmas tree. Now I'm just playing around because the pine cone won't stay, because yeah, this is last year floral, so we have to make it look beautiful. So I'm gonna add that one over there. As you can see, I'm playing around so it doesn't go in my piece of Christmas tree, and that's not working. Now I'm adding this crystal-y thingy over here, and I think that looks really beautiful because it adds the frosty look to that beautiful swag. Now I'm gonna take a couple of those, those are berries. I forgot the name for that one. And I'm gonna add them like that to add a pop of red. Just like that, I'm gonna glue that to my piece of Christmas tree. That now it's a swag. And then I'm gonna take that piece of Christmas tree tie something, and I'm gonna tie it around my picks like that. Now I'm gonna start playing around with those in my wreath, and I decided to first stick them into the wreath and then add some wire around. So you will see me trying with the wire, but then I decided that if I stick them into the wreath, as it's a grapevine wreath, it will be lots more sturdy. So after I do this, you will see me take it off and stick them. Yeah, that's crafting. We start doing something and we end up doing something totally different. So after I do that, I'm gonna add some wire to those two swags, and I'm gonna wrap them around with my wire so I have them really sturdy over there, because as I've told you before, I think I have, we have the longest Christmas. Our Christmases last like 2 months or so, so this one has to last a long time. So I wrap that around really nicely and really tight, and then I twist my wires so I get them really tight around my wreath. After I do that, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my bow and I'm gonna put my bow over there to cover those ends of the swags. Just like that, I tie it using my pipe cleaner, I fluff it out, and that's it. Beautiful, isn't it? This is part of the Sunday Funday challenge hosted by my beautiful friends Janny and Dyanne from Deco Easy and the beautiful Yvonne from GingerChickRehab. In the description box down below, you're gonna find the links for their channels and also for this month playlist of the challenge. So you can go and check what everyone else came up with for this month challenge. Now for the fun part, we're gonna make that beard or that Santa cute, and I'm gonna start with the beard, and I'm gonna use white chalk paint from Waverly, and I'm gonna paint all of his beard like that using the Waverly, and we're gonna paint inside those cuts that the wood cutout has. And this one I found at Walmart, and I think that Walmart heard my prayers because I wanted some of these wooden cutouts. And I couldn't find them anywhere here, and this year they just got them out, and I'm so excited that I don't even have words to describe my excitement. Yep, Kiki without words, that's a new one. So we're gonna paint it completely, and as you know me, I love to watch people paint, so I'm gonna give you that extended painting clip so you can enjoy it as much as I do, because this, it's so relaxing. I can stay all day sitting around watching people paint. I just find it so relaxing. Now we're gonna take the band of his hat and we're gonna paint it in white also, but we are gonna be really careful because we have those mini stars and they tend. Okay, my Spanish is getting in the way of me explaining this. They tend to clog with paint. So we're gonna paint them, and then we're gonna use our paintbrush to remove the excess paint that we have inside of our stars. As you can see, they just cover the little points of our stars, and we don't want that. We want those stars to show and shine. So we're gonna paint them really nicely, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna move on to the top of his hat, and we're gonna paint it in Crimson by Waverly. We're gonna paint all of that. I'm loving this red color for this season. It's just beautiful. Look at that. It's just the perfect Santa red. So we're gonna paint that hat really nicely, just like that. And as I did with the beard, I'm gonna give you that extended painting clip so you can enjoy, sit back and enjoy. After we paint that, what we're gonna do is we're gonna move on to those leaves and that holy thingy that he has in his head. We can't add red to them, so I'm adding red around them. And then we're gonna paint the leaves using green. Yeah, I know, guess what? Green. I'm sorry for the background noises. Today it's a really different kind of day over here. Now I'm taking that leaf green and I'm painting those leaves using a small paintbrush like that. And then I'm gonna paint his jingle bell, and for that I'm gonna use gunmetal because I love that color. It just looks like old aged metal, and it's just perfect for that jingle bell. But jingle bell again, the Spanish is just messing with me. So we're gonna paint that jingle bell, and then we're gonna let it dry, and I'm gonna start playing with it. What do you think? You like it over here, or as me in the center? I'm gonna put it in the center, but you let me know in the comments below if you like it on the side, because I'm just using a little piece of twine to tie it over there so I can change it if I find that all of you like it on the side or right or left. It depends where you like it. I'm willing to change it. So let me know in the comments below where you like that Santa. For now, I'm gonna put it in the center because it's looking so cute over there. I'm gonna tie that to my wreath, and that's it. We have a cute Santa wreath. And this is how my wreath turned out. This is a different type of wreath because, as you know, there's not much floral over here. So I had to improvise, and I think it turned out really cute. And this is how it's looking. Now you can see that I have some fall with some winter decor using those fall cotton stems. And I think that adds a beautiful touch of farmhousey, rustic look. So this is how it's looking. I'm in love with my different type of wreath for this year. Remember that in the description box down below, I'm gonna leave you the link to the playlist and also to both of our challenge hosts. I just want to thank them for bringing us this awesome challenge. Look at that. It's cute. And remember that if you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching this type of videos. Take care. Bye-bye.